Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Today, we're diving into conditional aggregation, an advanced technique that lets you apply conditions while calculating totals. This is done using the combination of sum and case when. Let's see how it works. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Here's the syntax of the case when statement. Start with case. Use when for the condition and then for the value to return if it's true. Optionally, add else for a default value. Conclude with end. This lets you create calculations that change based on your data. Imagine you're working with a sales dataset, as shown here. Here's how you can calculate total sales for two specific product types, clothing and food. In this query, we're summing the sales underscore amount only when the condition inside case when is true. If it's not, we simply add 0. Here's the result of the query, showing both clothing sales and food sales. Now, let's take it up a notch. Here's how you can calculate total sales based on both region and product type. This query lets you break down sales by both region and product type in a single step. The power of conditional aggregation lies in its flexibility to handle complex scenarios like this. Here's the result of the query, showing both food sales in the North region and book sales in the South region. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.